Since OKA's founding in 1977, our core offering has been assessment certification training. In fact, the company was founded on the world's very first Myers-Briggs Certification Workshop, which we offered years before the tool's publisher even required it. In the years since, OKA has designed and delivered certification workshops for dozens of other models and tools, honing our skills and updating our approach to technology and application all along the way.
A particularly powerful offering that OKA is proud to provide is a private certification workshop, held either online or at an in-person site of the client's choosing. These workshops provide all the content needed for participants to leave fully certified in their chosen tool, but given that all participants are from the same workplace culture, OKA is able to tailor the experiential and application components of the workshop to make pivoting from classroom to real-world use of the material that much easier and more likely. Given that participants have the same cultural vocabulary and understanding, and often they come to the workshop with established and practiced relationships with each other, deriving actionable insights and applications can be done collaboratively and quickly. In addition, OKA's coming to you can be a more cost-effective way to get large numbers of your leaders, coaches, and trainers all on board using the same tools and speaking the same language.
OKA offers the world's leading certification programs in both the EQI and Drive assessments, and nearly a dozen other tools and models on which we train both trainers and coaches. We would love to work with you and bring a private certification workshop to your organization. Visit us online or contact us to start a conversation about our bringing a certification workshop to you.